Welcome to Cadence Design Systems Pointwise Tutorial Tuesday, where we show you how to use a feature or demonstrate a technique in just a few minutes. And today we're talking about thin surface interpolation. With the release of 18.4, Pointwise introduced the idea of linking a diagonalized domain to its structured counterpart. To do that, you go to Create, Diagonalize, leave that link checkbox, and now if I changed one of these connectors to a different dimension, it still would retain its diagonalized type structure because it was linked to the structured domain underneath. However, what if we wanted to get here without creating a structured domain? Could we do that? With the release of 18.5, we can. So I'm going to create an unstructured domain real quick here. I'm going to select it, go to Grid Solve, click the Attributes tab, and change the algorithm to Thin Surface Interpolation. Click Initialize, and we have this diagonalized structure on a strictly unstructured domain with no structured domain underneath. Similarly, I can change it to triangles and quads and click Initialize. Keep in mind, this is designed for thin surfaces, thus the name, Thin Surface Interpolation. You may be tempted to try this algorithm on larger surfaces, and you can certainly try, but it was designed for thin surfaces, so your results may not be quite what you expect. If you like this video, be sure to click the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. If you have any questions or comments, drop us a line down below or connect with us on LinkedIn, which is linked in the description. Thank you all. Have a pleasant Tuesday.